This is how to search and sort reports in the Pass&Stow system. In the video How to Create Reports, we showed you how to customize them to reflect a specific requirement. An example is a load or discharge list or a stuffing report, etc. In this video we will look at how to search and sort reports. For the purpose of this video, we created a report called Terminal Cargo Report. Using this report, I can quickly see what I have on terminal, what is expected either as an export or import, and what type it is, and so on. On the main menu, click on Cargo. From the Report drop-down, select Terminal Cargo Reports. On the main menu, open Cargo. From the Terminal drop-down, select Terminal Cargo Report. As you can see, we have 251 items on terminal. Part of the power of the Pass&Stow system is that you do a macro search, i.e. show me everything and then narrow it down as required. First, let's just search for what we have for ABC Company. Click on the I. I can either use the customer drop-down and search for ABC, and we can see that we have 188 pieces for ABC. Or easier, I can just type in equals ABC and I get the same result. Of that 188, what do I have as on terminal? If I type into status equals on terminal, we can see that we have 67 pieces. How many do I have for the Box King? Use the drop down for the vessel and type in Box King and select, and now I see I only have 2 pieces. Let's take off the vessel parameter by clicking on the red X. Let's search by a specific voyage number. I can use the drop down and search with the normal method by typing in the name of the vessel or the voyage number, or I can simply type in equals 234W, and I can see that I have 51 pieces. How many pallets do I have? If I scroll over to package type and type in equals pallet and search, I can see I have 35. If I want to know how many pallets and crates I have, under package type I would type in open parenthesis pallet and crate and search, and now I can see I have 36 pieces, of which 35 are pallets and 1 is a crate. Note that across the top of the screen appears your search parameters. Let's clear the form by clicking on View All. Now I want to know how many containers I can expect to see for ABC line. Let's type in ABC. Now type in equals container. And I can see that I'm expecting, either have or can expect to see 100 units. Let's see what we have for break bulk. And it's 14. How about break bulk and LTL? And the count is 61. Suppose I want to search for a specific booking number. Well, you can either use the drop-down and search for the booking number specifically, or you can use the master search function and look for the booking that way. And of course you can also just put in the last few digits of the booking number, and that also brings it up. Back to reports. Here we're going to use a report called the Port Captain's Break Bulk Report and put it into a sort order a port captain might want, which is by port of discharge, then by heaviest to light, and by largest cube to smallest. From the report menu, choose Port Captain Report. In Voyage, let's clear all here. In Voyage, we're going to look for the 007 South. And we can see that we have 50 pieces of cargo. We want both break bulk and ro-ro, so in type we'll enter break bulk and ro-ro. And we can see that we have 25 pieces of cargo. So now we want to sort this to make it easier to assign a stow location. First, let's sort by port of discharge in ascending order. Then let's sort by the gross weight with the heaviest at the top. So that'll be in descending order. And the same for the cube. Now click on the eye, and you can see we have a sort order that puts it in by port and then sorts it by the heaviest to the lightest. Heaviest to the lightest, and the same for the cube. The port captain can click on a piece of cargo. This one is 72 pieces. He can click on this. Edit. Edit all. And put in his hatch and lower hold forward. And save and done. And now there's the stowage location that he put in. So you can sort these in the order that they want. Let's go back to all columns. And view all, and we're back to our starting state. This ends searching and sorting reports.